Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Rancam Nano 4. So it's 12 by 14 by 18 millimeters and it weighs 2.3 grams. It takes 3.7 volts to 5.5 volts, basically 1S, but the best place to get power from would be the 5 volt pad. It doesn't say here, but it's got an 800 TVL 1/3 CMOS sensor and a 2.1 millimeter lens for a field of view of 155 degrees. This is NTSC, and I'm not sure if PAL is already available. Let's open it. So we have the camera and nothing else. So Rancam was able to reduce the weight by removing much of the casing, but still retaining the mounting and the focusing. And this also allows you to replace broken lenses. So it's got this very small connector. I'm not sure what this is, probably some variation of JST. And the wires are not silicone, probably vinyl. And at the end there's a Molex Pico Blade connector. Voltage in, ground, and video. So here it is beside the Rancam Nano 2. They look almost identical except for the lightened body. And of course the cable. So it's around 14 by 14 by 16. Let's weigh it. So it's 3.2 grams without the wire. It's 2.9 grams, so it's still heavier than what they claimed. Compared to the Nano 2, it's 4.1 grams with the wire. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the Rancam Nano 4. They were able to reduce the weight by 1 gram, which is significant especially for whoops, while still retaining the mounting points and the focusing ring. It's a minor but welcome upgrade to the Nano 2. Thank you for watching.